So this is inverted colors. I put on inverted colors to show you this planet because of course I didn't explain why it is not the moon, because of course if we go get the time lapse of the moon moving, we will see the same thing. The problem here is the clouds, and I showed you this was live stream, and it was the clouds. If the moon needs to travel between one point and another in a time lapse, you can see it in 1 minute, but the clouds would have moved. So if you notice the clouds near the planet, then you know that the clouds didn't move. Now you know this real time. And of course I didn't want to say that because I was not thinking myself. I was not sure. I was okay. The moon. Why is the moon moving? Maybe the Earth is moving. Maybe the Earth is something is pushing the Earth away from the moon. Okay, it's only explanation. The Earth is being pushed away. But of course it is because this is not the moon. This is Nibiru, and the clouds are not moving. This is the evidence. And yeah, I hope this will be enough for you to be convinced. I'm a little shocked, and
you see it?
so we can take down the volume a little. It was messed up, the volume here. So yeah, so here you can watch again how it is moved. So this yeah, so you see it. So I point out also, so you can see here. We see, if you look at the clouds near, if it was time lapse, then the clouds would have moved along. Clouds cannot stay the same, like for the moon to move from one point above the red box to another point, like up the edge of the screen, it maybe takes 3 hours. You see the clouds didn't move. That means this real time. Although you can check with Aljazeera, I provided the time. It was 17:28, 14:28 in Greenwich time. I believe it was like 15:28 in Gaza time. Of course, anyone who believes this is the moon, I can explain why the clouds is not moving around. If it would be a time lapse. So of course this is not time lapse. This is a live stream on Aljazeera. Again, you can check with Aljazeera and the stream. They have all the streams recorded. The time was I believe 14:26 or 28, 29, 14:29 in Greenwich. So it was 14. It was, I believe, it was 15:29. Yeah, between 15:20 and 15:29. Please check with Al Jazeera. They have the recording. That's all, people. Blessings.